In this tutorial, you will learn to access lessons and different lesson templates, add new lessons and use additional features. Lessons can be accessed by creating a new unit plan or by opening an existing one. You can find lessons in plans under unit plans. They are located at the bottom of a unit plan and will appear as weekly or sequential lessons depending on the template option you have selected when you set up the unit plan. In a new plan setup, you will see two lesson view options. The first option is to view lessons day by day within a weekly view. When saved, the classroom lesson section will automatically appear in each week for the duration of the plan. The second option is to view lessons sequentially. When saved, one lesson plan will appear with the option to add more lessons that appear sequentially with no set time frame. Click Add Lesson to create more classroom lessons. The lesson header enables you to copy, clear, delete, or reorder the lesson. You can also set a date or date range, and when your plan is linked to your timetable, this will determine when your lesson will show in your daily planner. The assigned classroom can be changed by clicking on its name and selecting a different classroom or group. You can select the learning objectives for your lesson in Learning Outcomes. You can add details about your lesson in Teacher Notes. To attach resources, click on the paperclip or Drive icon. After you have taught the lesson, you can add Next Steps. To adjust the lesson view, scroll to the top of your plan and select the cog icon. Here you can change the lesson view. In the weekly template, click Add Lesson to choose between classroom or group. You can click on a week to copy, clear, or delete. Click Learning Outcomes to select the learning objectives for the lesson. You can type the details of your lesson into Teacher Notes. To attach resources, click on the paperclip or Drive icon. After you have taught the lesson, you can add Next Steps. To adjust lesson preferences, select the cog icon. Here you can change the lesson view or push out all your lessons by one day by selecting Create 0 Day. Thank you for watching. For more tutorial videos on how to use iUgo, please visit our support section.